Hello everyone, this is Manas here. Today we'll learn how to create a Kubernetes cluster on OCI. So you need to click on this sandwiched button here on the left side top, then go to developer service. Here you will see Kubernetes cluster OKE. Get into that, then you have to click on create cluster. Then you will have two options. First one is quick create. It will create all the resources that is needed. Uh, and for the custom create, it will only create Kubernetes cluster and worker node and node pool. And it will use all the existing networking component from your DCN. So let's do a quick create. So let me name the cluster cube demo. That's the compartment. I'll choose a version for my cluster. My API endpoint would be public. My worker nodes will be private. I'll select the set. So let me select PM standard 2.1 and how many worker nodes I need to put in this pool. So by default it is 3. So I'll just put one node for now. Click on next. This is the summary page, and once you click on the create cluster, it will create all these resources for you. So let's click on that. Whole one, cluster cube demo, 3 subnets it created. That is known as OKE SBCLB node subnet created set. Okay, fine. We have route tables, we have a NAT gateway, and we have a BCN. So let's click on close. You'd see this cluster cube demo is now creating. It will take around 10 minutes or so to get it complete and running. So let's wait. So you can now see that cluster is active. We'll see the node pools. There would be one pool, and under that pool we'll have one node. So here you can see that it is the worker node is still getting updated. The software is getting installed. So once it is active here, uh, your your cluster creation process will be done. So let's wait for that. As you can see, the pool is active. Let's click on that pool. We'll go to the node, see the node status. The node state is active, so all these softwares, Kubernetes softwares has been installed, but the node condition is not ready yet. It should be ready and green so that we can put workload into that node. So we'll wait for that. As you can see, the node is ready now. Then you have to go back. Your cluster is ready. Your node worker node is ready. Go to the cluster. Here you'll find the quick start button, and you'll find the uh, quick start options like how to access your cluster. That we'll see in the next video. Stay tuned. Please subscribe to my channel for uh, further videos. Thank you.